Okay, look, I already know September is halfway done already, but y'all gonna get these monthly goals for September. So let's go. This is a quick list I put together in my notes app, but I do have a journal that I map this out in detail. I divide my goals up into 5 different categories. They are personal, business, household, health, and finance. Let's start with personal first. First thing I'm going to do is journal every day. Second thing, read every day. Next category is business. First thing on that one is open up my digital stationery store that I've been thinking about for a long time. It's time to do that. And the other thing is build my YouTube channel by posting more things on it. The other thing is to transfer my podcast from where it's being hosted now to Spotify. Because Spotify, it's easier to make money on Spotify than where I have it posted now. Next category is household. And the main thing for my household is to declutter something. Doesn't matter what it is, something needs decluttering. Next category is health. My goal is to walk 15 minutes a day. Next thing is to cook at least 5 days a week and lose 5 pounds. Next category is finance. My goal there is to stop buying stuff from Amazon. It's a sickness. I know, I'm working on it. Jesus, freaking Jeff Bezos. Anyway, next thing is cancel unnecessary streaming services. The stuff that I have on there now, some of the stuff I don't even watch anymore because there's nothing new on it. So I got to cancel that. So then I go in and I highlight each category and then I underline it so it can stand out. And this is basically how I put my monthly goals list together. And I hope you like it.